Hey, Siddhant, come here now.
Amen. Gautam bhaiya, who did the best in today's? Oh, you didn't go, right?
I didn't go right.
I'm coming.
Wait, I'll do it.
You wanted to?
Yeah, it's kind of
Come
fun.
here.
Yeah, I know.
I'll just.
Hey, don't let the ball go out, please.
Don't.
Bullshit, da, Arya. Waste kill. You're recording?
This is recording. Good enough.
You sure you can do it? You're pretty short for that.
You don't need height to record. Hey, continue. Move. Should I show you the shit I bought?
What is that, bro?
Gift for the under 19 boys.
Under 19.
Whoever plays the best in this match, they'll get one of these, and I'll keep the other one.
Damn.
After that,
Then I'd prefer you to give it to Shashank.
if he plays good,
He played-
scored a goal. Da.
he scored already.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 3-0.
And for the under 19 boys, under 17 boys.
What? You got cup noodles for me?
No, for the under 17 boys.
For me?
For you, nothing, da.
No, I bought you something to drink.
Sure. I told you chips. Oh my brother, dad. I thought
after
it was
some
some
time you'll be
happy
like-
fizz or
After
something.
some time, he'll be like, hey, Siddhant, this way, should that be this and all.
Did I say anything? Exactly.
You don't know, da, Siddhant.
Okay, da.
I don't want to know.
So you're good, I'm telling you.
I know. Thanks. And I'll cover this thing so that Sunny sir or Neeraj sir don't take it. After that, I have one drink for myself also. And one chocolate for Darshan.
Darshan, man. Who's Darshan?
This. Should I eat it? I'll tell them I have something else.
Hey, give some chocolate or something, no, da.
I'm eating right now.
Give me one.
Say please and I'll give you one.
Please.
Please, bro.
Okay, relax. Now crying is making me not to give you. Mom.
Hey, Manav, come on, da.
Hey, come on, Manav, get the ball back. Plus is not gonna get the ball. Plus is gonna cry. No, you won't get the ball back.
First, you give me the chocolate, then you talk.
Well, oh. Why is everyone playing so bad?
I'll open it for you if you don't know how to
No,
open it.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me, okay, bro.
In opening it, because I know you'll take extra.
So where is the ball?
All the way there. Did the keeper make good saves?
Which one? Ours?
Mm.
I don't know. Okay, shots didn't come.
My gloves gave him luck.
Shashank, free kick it, raha. That was nice. How much money you spent? At least 10k.
No, 700.
That's pretty less, da. I only spent like at least 1k for my
Guess how much the chocolate was?
But you're rich, you know. Why you spent only 700?
Because richness means you're smart also.
Oh.
Money can buy you cannot always buy you everything. That gets you good stuff, but for one day. Money I have left. Oh, I almost used it. Nah, not against Australia. Is Nikhil wearing my jersey? Where's Nikhil? Oh, damn.
Dharma is good, da.
Yeah, he's wearing my jersey.
Who?
Nikhil. I'm surprised it fit him.
Hey, Abdullah.
How is Abdullah not playing good in this game?
Because he doesn't have the competition that he needs.
Lalit! What happened? Goal, huh?
No da.
Foul.
I think yeah, it's a foul.
So like, why is it playing on? But how is our team not how is Abdullah not cooking in this game? How many goals has Shashank scored?
One.
Shashank kid.
Audible ball.
Yo.
Relax. Some mistakes they don't. A lot of mistakes like mine, miss goal opportunities. I don't understand. These coaches they tell us what to do in that tactical session, but they don't explain it in the game. Oh damn. Oh. Wait, Sangshan's
Yeah.
I'm taking care. Why is it? Good job. Why is he dribbling out?
Shashank carry. Good one da.
Oh damn. Oh
Hey,
damn.
what da?
He's not using his speed.
Hey, goal da. Ah, you.
Shashank's getting it. I just wanted him to get it. From that post, I feel bad.
Dharma, water.
Now I'm deciding who got the better goal, Shashank or Dharma.
Dharma.
Shashank was good, like he outpaced everyone and he went.
Full team, like from there too.
No, not full team, like one guy.
Then that's no point. Dharma from there, damn.
Good goal, Dharma.
My claps.
Let's go, Dharma, the new hope.
But see,
Yeah, imagine your claps that. Just vocalize it.
water drip. See, I can do.
Why is it so?
See. See.
How long is the game, da?
A long time. It's been 8 minutes so far, bro.
So, Siddhant,
Yeah.
how many girls you saw naked? I don't care, da. Shut up.
Sir won't read it, ra.
Rahul, get the ball, man. Hey, sitting there. Simply.
You get.
Oh, what? You get. Go.
Why are you telling him?
Huh?
Me.
I'm just joking, da, idiot.
Run,
Being
run,
sarcastic.
Shashank, run.
He's my friend. He's like my small brother, da.
Who?
Rahul.
Since when you said me and Rahul was like small brothers, ra?
No, you both look like brothers, I told.
In which angle?
I
do I
thought
look
you were
like
brothers, da. Not look like brothers, but like I thought you guys were brothers. First time I saw.
Because we were like good friends.
Not good friends, bro. Like starting when I saw you guys.
What gave you the idea we were brothers?
You both are standing together, so I thought like that. When I was
So you
going,
and a girl were standing together? You think that's...
No. Like, see, when I was going with the seniors in Red Bhavan, that time I saw.
Yeah.
Wait, Are will go after some time.
No, I'm sitting.
You realize this is dirty.
I want others.
Good game, Ara.
You want others?
Yeah.
Same.
Which who?
Others.
Which one?
8th. Oh.
Not that.
He's good. His shots are good, da.
Who?
Others.
You saw him play, ah.
Yeah.
He's good, ah.
His
He
shots
can't
are
even
good.
score a goal in
I saw
normal.
him take a shot. That was good.
Not that Adarsh, we had one more.
8th Adarsh, no.
No,
8th Adarsh I'm talking about.
I am talking about the M1.
Play me, I'll score.
Dharma is the new hope now.
No, yeah. I thought everyone was saying that Dharma plays.
Akash Barra.
I'm sitting on this stuff. Put a goal. Day. Akash. How much final?
Milk they're giving her.
Anyone else wants to do recording? Divyansh, Fozan, you want to do recording?
Asshole lah she is.
Divyansh.
No da. She won't even accept my request. I should follow her, but she won't follow me. it seems.
Oi,
I unfollowed her after that.
Fozan, Divyansh, you want to do recording? You want to do recording?
Oh,
Oh, this one thing is what kept me excited.
Anas has potential. lah.
Oh my
Can
god.
become the next Penny.
Anasa.
Arif.
Arif has the most potential here.
Bullshit he has. He has
Because
bullshit.
he's wearing smash boot. Copa.
Oh.
He's become Benny because he's wearing two papia.
No, like he plays like that.
He plays like his dribbling is kind of like Neymar, but not fully. Even Gokul sir said the same shit.
His dribbling is like Neymar.
Yeah. You see him in training session. He'll do all.
I saw it. I saw.
Did you no? When he was with the under 19 boys when we played against,
I saw.
you weren't
You know
even
this
there.
guy before?
Who? Yeah, I know him. No. Siddhant, I know that. He was in April only. He was there. No.
Offside. What? Oh.
Lalit, Laude, अरे. Oh. Oh. अरे यार.
Shant, put up.
Run, Akash, run.
Hey, wall kids dog.
Wood. Okay, decent ball. Okay. Win it. Good job. I don't want to demotivate the team. Cross.
Siddhant.
No.
Ball down. Finish.
Wood.
Good job, Akash.
Ball.
Goal!
Hey, come on. Ref bought the post. Sorry. White team bought the post. To keep them alive. Instead of buying the ref, they bought the post. Win the ball. It's an air ball and you're not winning it. Oh my god, Nikhil.
Bro, I thought like I can talk to her.
Who? Spurs top fake. Even I got fake.
Siddhant, go
He'll
now.
finish this. He'll finish this.
Yes! Go get that Luban. Go.
Bro, this is the one thing that
Where's
got
that
me
Luban?
excited.
Wait, Manav, get that Luban da. Luban.
Hey, what jersey is Nikhil wearing, bro? I can't read it.
Why do you want to read it?
Because that might be my jersey. Tell me the number. Divyansh, can you read the number on Nikhil's jersey? Yeah. If you see 32, 232, tell me.
Tackle panna avladhaan nee.
Win the ball. Come on, Shri. Dribble. Oh my god, Shri is actually cooking.
See, good job, sir!
Oh.
गाली आता ना इंसान के टाइम यहाँ तो स्टॉप करना
What happened?
Leave da. Then YouTube. What's that? Well,
Who puts tape like this, huh?
Where? Why?
what happened?
Bro, look at this.
Yeah, bro, tattoo.
Bro, it's a girl playing, huh?
Do this now, see.
The fuck?
Goal!
We need some post luck. Why is a girl playing against us?
But you know, she played HFL.
Yeah,
She played.
Abiru.
Bro,
No, that girl.
she's in alchemy.
Yeah. She used to play in my academy.
She's in alchemy.
Now alchemy.
Make a study for Shashanta.
Oi.
That girl's in alchemy.
At Dharma.
Yeah. She used last year in 2023 she played KSF. No, yeah, KSF she played.
Last year, Adik against Shahid
Bro, but damn, for a girl.
उसको टैकल करने में फटी है मेरी.
But फट जाएगी.
Physique,
I'm scared
Dharma.
because of her.
Blade, Spurs blade, Spurs blade. Child.
Sir, this banana is bad, sir. Sir,
What?
banana is bad, sir.
Manani hai.
Banani.
Banana.
Who's Banani?
Banani.
Spurs.
Hey, you don't first.
Ah.
You only said banana.
Ball da.
Hey, Srishant hat-trick!
Ayyo, shit.
Hey, Sushant Souza hat-trick, that means he deserves
See,
it.
everyone's
Good.
Who
Score
was
it,
it?
Sri. Score it and then.
He knows he's running offside. Still, he'll happily run like you only.
So you over 11 offside he did in one game there.
No break.
Only against.
Hey, come on, Spurs, win it! Nikhil's not even trying against it. Save! Good.
No, if I be offside in 1 month, they'll tell offside like he's waste like that and all. Now if I score a goal, they'll be like, again they'll bring up offside only. They won't see the positive in me only.
Because you're like that, no? You only praise your own self. That's the problem. That's why no one likes
Good.
you.
That's why no one likes you. Shut the
Because
fuck up.
you pray.
I know why
praise
they call you a
your own
little kid. Shut up.
You're a big kid.
Good. चल श्री चल चल अरे
Shri mar gaya.
Hey, it's okay, Shri. Come on. Get up and play. I don't know why I said get up and play. He's standing only.
Clean tackle. Ball.
Paulo.
Hey, no. Sir, clean tackle, sir.
Shri offside.
क्या
You're supposed to play with this shit, man.
क्या बोला इसने?
Three offside no था. Throwing.
श्री offside नहीं होता है चल.
Shri offside, no offside. Run.
Foul throw da.
Nikhil, take the throw in. Oh,
This is center back. Why you did it?
why does? Yeah. Nikhil.
She.
लड़की.
Hey,
Oh.
what? Don't do
Ball. No, not on my man. That is my man. What? I gave him the gloves.
The keeper is not half bad. Man.
Half bad.
Bad. Shut the fuck up. That is good.
I said he's not half bad.
How is he bad?
अबे साले तेरे को तो इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए ना.
पूछा.
He is not half bad. I said.
He is decent. Say that then.
Up the ball.
Banana.
Leave it down.
Sir, ये बनाने अच्छे नहीं हैं.
Sir, change the banana.
बनाने.
This thing makes my day. क्या हो गया? फाउल थ्रो क्यों है? इतने सारे. I swear they could have scored 5 goals by now. Shashank was in their team. Get it, girl, get it. Nikhil's not even wanting to try. Look at Nikhil hands. Now
Bullshit. That's free kick da.
Let it be. See keeper.
Shut up, the Divyansh.
See,
Goal it seems.
Divyansh, you scored, huh?
hey, Gautam.
Oi, Divyansh, you scored, no? You scored. Who do you think played best in your team?
Yeah.
No. Honestly, ra.
Yeah, you.
All played good.
But who played the best? All played good. One has to play super good.
Super good.
Nikhil told that guy ate only 600 calories a day and he went up to hospital. it seems.
Fozan, who played
Here
good?
only Austin only he'll do.
I'll ask Semester in the match.
Who da? Oh! Oh!
बोला मैं बाहर जाएगा तो
When he goes home, no.
हाँ.
He will bring
Wasn't that close?
Shit. Nando.
Do you just like
अबे यार.
anything is there means no problem.
Sir.
Wanda.
Sir.
Shilata. Wait, you're 7th, no?
Done.
Huh?
Gift down.
Boom!
Oh, keeper.
Good one, keeper!
Keeper, good job. Oh, damn.
Confident.
That!
Bhag!
Jana!
Cut inside.
He can easily overpace him.
Oh, now what do you say? Oh,
By
man.
mistake, he got
He's
that
doing
ball.
good and then instantly he's doing bad.
He can easily overpace him. He
Alright.
just touch it and run, no? You know,
Are he did some.
Good, but after that he didn't even explode like. He just stopped.
exploit this place.
But he did good, ra.
Come on, Dinesh.
Our keeper is bad. We can take advantage if we play good. Good job, Shoaib. In the bottom.
Good skill.
Oh, God.
Oh, Nikhil, क्या कर रहा है तू?
गोल मार दे भाई ये.
Oh! Gone. He'll beat Shivaji. Oh!
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh,
That
oh.
guy got scholarship in BBFS Bangalore, it seems. That number 7.
Oh.
Actually, really he got it, seems. Really.
Hey, Seshan! Hey, goal, this guy.
Run! Run!
He can do it. Now you see he'll score.
Shri! Oi, Shri, come on! Come on! It's okay.
Hey, what you laughing at? You're also same only.
Anas, shoot! Anas!
You'll dash off somewhere.
See your level and talk da.
Nice try, nice try.
It's okay, Nas! Hey, Shri! Shri! Come on, Raj! Head up and play!
He's driving like Adi.
Scored!
Lalit. अबे ताली
You
वाला.
will go, you will go like bull. Woo.
But I would have scored that, okay?
Come on, Dinesh.
That's how you know.
Danish!
I can't. See this cough. Cough.
Comparing your calf.
You are looking bad, man.
Yeah,
I
full
lost
that.
muscle, no?
See, only you are fat.
Keeper is absorbing pressure, damn.
Chupa, chupa, chupa.
The keeper got scared.
Gautam. I'm gym like seriya. Match muchapre kupre.
Thousand, listen to him, no? You heard him, no? You heard him, no? What?
I'm going. Thank you.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Okay. I was sitting on that.
Oh, ball. Hey, Shri! Come on! I shouted so much in the bus, now I'm shouting here also.
Why did you shout in the bus?
The music.
Come on,
Oh,
Shashank.
Shashank.
There!
Ball.
Press use பண்றா டே
3 goals! 3 goals!
டேய் என்ன Seshan!
Okay, when Nikhil got on the face.
Why that Seshan didn't use his space da?
Right, Shashank might also be tired, no?
What tired da? Bro! You know that guy he used to play against Alchemy and all. So good. He gave assist also.
That doesn't mean that someone can't get tired for one day.
He gets tired, but see, like, compare Alchemy and this team. Alchemy.
Compare you versus him.
Who?
You and him.
Who? Versus? You should ask him, bro.
He is better than you by a milestone.
You should ask him that.
Why will I ask him that? He'll say you because of his honor, heart. But honest action, his brain is telling him you himself.
Okay, bro.
He's just saying by heart.
Player, da.
Yeah. You are.
Not even good as Abhirup, you know.
Who?
Me.
You're not even as good as Abhirupa.
Yeah. Yes, bro.
Definitely.
Not like that. Like good as player.
Abhirupa is definitely bad. Hare Sanjay should have hit. Hare Sasank.
But he's not as worst as you would have Siddhant.
Oh.
Good one, Sheshant! Run करने! Hey, Sheshant!
He's tired. He's tired. Win it back, Shay!
Come on, Sheshant!
Oh, that hurt. Run! Shay! Run! Run! Bhag! 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 Shoot! Shoot!
Okay, sit.
Shay! Shay, chalta hai, come on! Oi! Head up and play!
That my grandmother would do
Shut up,
that.
bro. Hey, come on, Shay! Score those! You can score it in session, you can score it here!
He can't hear you.
Shut up, bro.
He can't hear you.
Pucha. Imagine Sri takes revenge by scoring in a corner. He won't.
He can't. Cross. Good job. Shri.
Head! Ah, yaar.
Scared.
Shri. Oh,
Oh, good try.
oh.
Right.
Tried! Good try! Come on! Bicycle kick almost. It went into that goal post almost. The smaller one.
It's okay. You should have just knelt down. Properly there.
Come on, boys!
Peace out.